Yes, cheers to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundit of the beautiful game, and thank you for joining us from wherever you are today. Orlando Pirates and Bafana Bafana youngster Rele Mofokeng did his share in building the nation as he helped Bafana Bafana to get 3 important points in front of Lesotho in the World Cup Africa Qualifier Group C after match 5, and now South Africa are on the top of the table with the 10 points from 5 games, meaning 3 wins, 1 lose and 1 draw, followed by Benin in the second position with the 5 games, 8th point, with the 2 wins, 2 draws and 1 lose, followed by Rwanda, who has 7 points from 5 games. Nigeria has 6 points from 5 games. Lesotho has 5 points from 5 games. Zimbabwe is the one below the league table, in the behind the league table with 3 points from 5 games. And we can agree with Hugo Broos the idea of rejecting Brazilian player Lucas Ribeiro Costa playing for Bafana, although the player himself has almost 13 goals from 21 games plus 7 assists. But Hugo Broos previously say South Africa has a top of talent, has enough talent, and today we see young talent make fans to be happy. Talent from Rele Mofokeng as well as Jaden Adams was one keep Bafana to be on the top of the table today. What's your comment about this?